Alright, today we're going to install a single railing on one side of a porch. We're doing this for one of our all-time favorite customers. She's been a lifelong customer since I've been here, and she's sick right now and she needs this to get into her house, so we're going to be just doing it on one side. So I don't need any guff about why is there only railings on one side. Anyway, these are going to be veranda rails from the Home Depot. She happens to work at the Home Depot, so we are supporting her store. We are using the posts that come with there. We are putting them on, laying them out. We are bolting them down to the existing limestone. We laid it out, we spaced them equally apart. These are 3/8 bolts. We pre-drill with a 3/8 drill bit. We then slide our sleeves over. We then do our base caps and our post caps, and we measure for the actual rails themselves. These rails are made to be completely customized. You lay them out, you cut down to the size you need, you then install the rails that you need. So you cut both ends and you want the spacing to be perfectly equal. That's why you cut both sides. You don't want to have it where you're either jammed up against the sleeve or the wall, or there's too much of a gap. You want everything to be equal. You want it to be 3 inches, that's code, off of the porch itself. Then you put that piece of blocking in to support. You fasten it to both the wall. Here's the wall's masonry, so we have to use Tapcon masonry screws. We then fasten it to the post using their bracket system. And don't worry, they make bracket covers too, so you do not see this exposure. These are black aluminum rails mixed with white PVC top and bottom trim. They really pop pretty well once they're installed. Everybody loves the look. Now it's time to assemble our stair kit. That goes next. Same thing, we want it 3 inches off. We angle it down. We cut our angles. I think this was about a 30-degree angle for each one. Again, make sure you have your base trim in first. You won't be able to get it on after you make your cuts. It comes with the hardware to install. These rails are actually easier to put their brackets on than the other one. You screw right through these as opposed to having to cut and put the other ones on first. Here you can see we are fastening in all the way around. Test it, make sure it's have good grip. It's strong, glue our caps on.